Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating hazard. Unplug the lamp and wait 10-15 minutes so capacitors discharge. This prevents shocks. Put on gloves and safety glasses. Use a multimeter to confirm 0 voltage at the socket. Next, identify the bulb type by base markings so you know if the issue is ballast, driver, or LED module. Once done, remove the bulb housing carefully with a screwdriver. Make sure to keep small screws and note wiring layout for reassembly. You now probe the internals to find the fault. Use your multimeter to check continuity on the LED board or filament and measure resistance across the driver or ballast. This shows whether the driver failed. Visually inspect for swollen capacitors, burnt resistors, or cold solder joints that explain intermittent operation. Once located, remove the driver board. Label each wire and take photos so you remember connections. Then desolder the failed component. Replace with a matched value part to restore proper function. You finish by reflowing suspect solder joints and installing the replacement component, making sure polarity and values match. This prevents damage and preserves lifespan. Reassemble the casing, tighten screws evenly, and reconnect the bulb. Test the bulb first on a GFC eye-protected circuit so you catch faults safely. Observe for steady light and normal warm-up. If it still flickers or doesn't start, swap in a known good driver or test the bulb in another fixture to determine whether the lamp or bulb is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.